Baking soda and baking powder are both leavening agents used in baking to help baked goods rise. However, they have different composition. Baking soda is whitish crystalline powder. It is naturally alkaline or basic. It is activated when combined with both an acidic ingredient and a liquid. Activation gives carbon dioxide, which allows baked goods to rise and become light and fluffy. Baking powder also a complete leavening agent, as it contains both the base sodium bicarbonate and acid needed for the product to rise. Acts as a buffer to prevent the acid and base from activating during storage. In summary, baking soda is used in recipes that also include an acidic ingredient, such as cream of tartar, buttermilk, or citrus juice. Whereas baking powder is typically used when the recipe doesn't feature an acidic ingredient. Baking soda is pure sodium bicarbonate, a base that reacts with acids to produce carbon dioxide gas, causing dough or batter to rise. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda, an acidic ingredient like cream of tartar, and a neutral stabilizer such as cornstarch. Baking soda requires an acidic ingredient to activate its leavening properties, while baking powder is pre-mixed and can be used alone.